2020 is here upon us with that S&P 500 daily chart staring right at you right now. So let me break it down for you. How's that sound, my friends? I know it's been tough for all of you people, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're here. I'm here. You're watching the video. We can get to know each other real well, make lots of money. When things go bad, there's lots of money to be made, my friends. Let the other people complain about how bad it is. Why don't you be one of the few who get paid from it all? So, the higher their voices are and the more that they complain, the more money that you're making. Oh, yeah. And bear markets and bear market volatilities, as I've been saying, and we're going to open lower again on the S&P 500. And we had a very impressive rally when I called the bottom right over here as we know it. And the live videos are there, the ones you're watching on YouTube. And then there was the breakout. And then it gave it back, but it held that low end right here. And then they ran it right on up. But guess what they did? After they pumped it, they got this day out of it, and then they got that day. Now, it has not collapsed back below 2950. Once it does, though, that original low that I had talked about with the buy signal in here, which was at a critical mass moving average, and it tested it and it popped. And that's why bear market rallies pay good money. And in the option market, you can clean up. We're the ones giving you the orders. You're not doing it, we are. So, let's get your head together and get in this live trading room with each other. Let's start today. We are the best. We're market makers. We have the proof. We always tell you before these events are going to happen. If and when we break below 2950, and 2950 was to become new resistance tomorrow on Friday expiration tomorrow. Today is Thursday, and it's right now in the evening time and whatnot. And so what we're going to see is that initial low where the buy signal is going to be initially, if we break that lower support level there where this trend line is right here, then of course we can come down into this area, back in this area. And then what we would look for would be the same relative turn and volatility turn. So we refer to it as a market maker buy signal. That's where I come in. I'm a market maker in the pit, even though I do it electronically from here. You get the best prices you can't get. So now that we understand that, that even makes our relationship more valuable because we're able to get the prices that you can't get. And most people never will. And that's how you make money in this business. It's not about your retail options and all of that old crap and all those old programs that are outdated and they're no good. So what I will say is back below the 200-day moving average on that S&P, we got below it. We would continue to go lower. It's a Friday. The psychology is, do you want to own stocks over the weekend? We will be updating you traders that trade for us. But let it be known that for every bad event, there can be a good event. And if you want to get started today and take that free 5-day trial and get busy with that limit order, entry, exit, ring, ring, ka-ching, let's get busy. So I'll see you here. S&P 500 bear market rally setups, how to trade off the bottoms, characteristic of bottoms, backed and filling with bottoms, and so forth to all traders.